Welcome, today in front of me Sony Xperia 10 Mark IV, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So to do that, we should open the Gmail application, and after that we can see here on the right upper corner we can see that we're logging into just only in one Gmail account. If you want to log out from Gmail account in Gmail app, we should log out from Google account on our device. To do that, we should click here to manage accounts on this device, click today's account, and then just tap here remove account. After that, click here to remove account again and confirm your action by click here to OK. Use the fingerprint, pattern, passcode or PIN codes just if you have some log methods here. Now we can see that in Google account settings we just have not here any logged in Gmail accounts. So let's go back to the application, and here into the app we also can see that we're log out just from the Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.